Hello, friends of Balsamiq. Today, I'm going to think about how to improve our swag store, our online store where we sell our t-shirts, our mugs, all of our branded material. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our swag page on our website, and then from here you go to either the US store or the European store. And we use Spreadshirt today. The main function of the store for us is to give gifts to special customers, people who we interview or people who write a blog post for us, like a guest post or, different things. It's really a reward for our best customers. It's not so much a way for us to make money. In fact, we get 0% commission on these stores. We are listing the price that Spreadshirt charges, so we don't make any money on this. So really, we don't really care that much for having a public store. What's more important for us is for us to have a way to gift things to people. And the way we do it today is that we buy these Spreadshirt codes. Let's see. So when you check out, our customers can apply a discount code to a coupon code to their order, so that it ends up being 0. But this is kind of a pain in the butt, because that means we have to pre-order the codes in bulk, and they send us this list of code, and it's hard to keep track if they're being used or not. We have a wiki page where we track all this, and the codes that they sell are not the exact amount. They are somewhat, you can only buy $17 or $25, so we're wasting money here. What we would like is not to have to buy code and just say, hey, charge me this instead of charging it to the customer, right? Charge Balsamiq instead of charging it to the customer. So let's start a little wireframing project to see how we can improve the situation. So here I am in Balsamiq Cloud Beta. I'm going to start a new project, and we'll call it new swag store. Let's just go like that. All right, so let's talk about some actors. We have, whoops, what's happening? We have customer, great customer. Then we have Balsamiq employee who wants to give a gift. So this could be someone in marketing, someone in support. Right now we have to go through one person because they know how to do all this work, but I want the new system to be more automated, more self-service. So then we have Balsamiq swag queen, which has been val, but now it's going to be ANG. And this is about, I guess let's put admin, it's more descriptive. This is about setting up the store, monitoring how much we're spending, etc., etc. And then we have Balsamiq designer, Mike. This is Angie. This, let's say it's Peldi, me. This is, I don't know, Anne. Okay, so so Mike, what he does is he creates the designs and creates these products using Spreadshirt right now. Basically decides what goes on each show, on the front, on the back, etc. how big the logo is, etc., etc. All right, so these are all the actors. Now, a classic flow is this. Peldi wants to let's see, and does reports a great bug. Peldi wants to let's put Brandon, who's in support. All right, Brandon wants to reward Anne for the report with a swag item. So what we'd like to do is Brandon goes somewhere and enters Anne's email address. An email is sent to Anne with instructions and a link to our swag store. And picks an item, customizes it, enters her address, and clicks send me this text, and is not charged. Then the item is produced, Balsamiq is charged for production and shipping costs, and gets the item, and Angie is notified / can see what happened. That's what I would like for it to happen. So that's a classic given and ordering a gift workflow. Then there's the creating an item for the store. Right now, Mike does it in Spreadshirt and he has to do it twice. So let's see. Someone, let's say Angie, has an idea for another item and asks Mike to design it to offer. What I would like for it to happen is Mike design, and it shows up on our store. And that's really it. I would like the store to be on balsamiq.com with our branding. And that's it. So pretty streamlined. Other things I don't want to forget. We should give people an option to gift more than one item, maybe up to 3. And this is because we allow employees twice a year to order 3 items from the store for themselves, their family, their friends, etc. So this same system could be used for that. And then lower importance, people, random people should be allowed to buy stuff and pay for it themselves. But this is really lower importance. I don't know if I want this at all. We'll see. Let's do the simple stuff first. So let's see. Actually, let me turn this into people. There we go. Okay, So let's start with, here's what I'm thinking. Let's go with this one. Let's try to design this flow. So, and reported a bug, and we use in our bug tracking system, etc., etc. What I want is a browser, and this is a page, internal page that says give someone swag. And what you do is you put label, text input, text data, label, button, combo. Yeah, I think that's all I need. So email address, and you have to put that in, of the recipient. Here is custom message. So this is something that you can customize the email, and email. One number of items. Let's go like this. Here, thank you for reporting that bug. As a small token of appreciation, we'd like to offer you an item from our swag store. Just visit here. Just visit balsamiq.com swag code and pick the item. I'll be happy to make it and send it to you for free. It's the least we can do. And then your friends at Balsamiq. So this would be something like that. Oops. Come on. This is still beta. Oh, come on. Send back. I gotta fix this. All right, so there's the preview. And then this is the right, and then here is in and at gmail.com to sorry, subject a small gift from Balsamiq. Body. So basically this is just a preview of the email that the system is going to send. And it includes the info that people have to enter. The default is 1. Okay, so that's basically how someone would send a gift to someone. So Brendan would do this, and we can say title Send someone on Slack. And this is a internal Balsamiq page. So this will be in our wiki or somewhere in our own internal something. And so this basically allows anybody self-service to give people a way to send someone a gift. Okay, so then what happens after this? After Brendan clicks send, I think what happens is that there's another page that Angie can see that is sort of the swag records. And so here there's a table, let's see, with email sent date, code, so that XFTTT, that's a made-up code that says it's for this, it's only going to work for this email address and for this many items. Items 1, first name, email, message, item order date, and shipment info. So basically, for instance, for this will be, what's today? 15 July 2017. The code is XTTE. Items 1, first name Ann @gmail.com. Thank you for reporting the bug. The item not yet ordered. Not yet ordered. So there you go. And then let's make up another one, which is 5 days ago. This is another. This is Joel. And thank you for letting us interview you. And he ordered something the next day. And the info is in production, right? Oh, we gotta see what item they chose. So item details, this is the same, and this will be, I don't know, red t-shirt. Oh, address, so this will be the same, and this would be 123 Main Street, I don't know, New York, USA. Gotta escape these guys, right? So basically this is so that Angie can tell what the codes that are pending are, what the codes that have been used. If Joel calls and says, hey, where's my order? She can come here and see, well, you ordered on the 11th. I see that it's in production. Maybe the address, we can confirm the address. Red t-shirt, medium, I don't know, something like that. So when the send email is sent, then a new row is added at the top here as pending, basically not yet ordered. Okay, so let's see where we are. So Anne reported a bug. Brendan goes and does that. An email is sent, and Angie can track it. And then let's see what happens to Anne when she goes to the link. So she gets the email and she is sent to balsamiq.com swag code. There it is. And this is the Balsamiq swag store. And here it should say, hi Anne, pick anything you want. It's on us. That's pretty cool, because with the code we know that it's her. And then there are all the different, this is a classic store. You can pick, you know, there's all the items that we have. Woman t-shirt. Let me turn to a label. This is a man t-shirt, mug, whatever. Tote bag, etc. So then she picks something. Classic online store UX. Pick an item. Customize it, color, size. Check out button. Enter address. Click order now. Okay, I'm not going to design that because it's just so classic. But when the order now button is pushed, what happens? Well, we have to get the item to be built. And so via Twitter, Dave Martin told me to check out Printful, and it seems perfect. Basically, what they do is that this is our website, and then they have a copy of all of our products, all the ones listed here, and basically we send an API call to Printful saying, okay, print this now with this address. API call to Printful, and then and it's basically we're saying let's observe it here, there. And we say, all right, go print this, etc., etc. Then Printful returns all good or error, and we show something to and that says something like all good. Your item should arrive soon. I don't know if they have tracking number. Here's that tracking number. I don't know if they do that, but if they do, we can definitely show that too. And then what happens? Our service needs to also, I don't know if they notify us or if we do it ourselves, but we need to update records. Basically saying, and you know, fill in these 4 columns, basically. Okay, then Printful charges Balsamiq. Printful charges us and doesn't even ever see a price, which I love. Let's put a big $sign. Charge us for the item. Okay. And gets the item. And maybe when it's shipped, update records on order, shipping details, etc. Hopefully Printful can notify us so that we can update this column right here. But without prices, that's important. This looks really nice. We can also say, I don't think Angie needs to be notified really. She can always go here and track stuff. We can add email notification to Angie later if needed. Then when, if a code is already being used, we can show an error, sticky. If a code has already been used more than item number times, used for more than the specified items, we show an error. Something like, oops, and it seems like you already used this code, blah, blah, blah. Now, what we could do is, if somebody comes without a code, then we can show prices and they can get charged for it instead of us. Or, but I don't really care for that so much. So that would take care of this part. Creating an item for the store. Yeah, we have to figure out a way so that we can create it here. We have a static website, so this would be HTML. But maybe we can do it. We don't do that very often, so maybe Mike can do it both here and in Printful manually at the same time and keep them in sync at the same time. I think I would do that because it's very simple and it's, like I said, it's rare. Gift more than one item. I did. Random people located to buy. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so I think that a system like this would be really, really nice. Basically, we have to figure out what API Printful provides. If it can be all client side. No, it can't be all client side because this is a table. We gotta store this stuff somewhere. So we'll probably have some something like swag. Balsamiq.com that is only accessible to us, a little React app. This would be swag.balsamiq.com give. Yeah, we can do that. Link. Out. So it could be a little app. Oh, here we gotta see who did it. Sender. So this would be Brendan. This would be Peldi. So we know who sent the thing, and so here there's a login, logout, user. This would say hello Peldi. So it's private. We can use auth0 for authentication simply. And so there it is. And this, of course, goes here. In fact, I'm gonna move it. Yeah, that works out. Okay. Okay. Nice. All right. I'll propose this to the team. We can investigate the printful, but to me, it looks like a good UX both for Angie and for Brendan and for Anne. And we'll see how that goes. All right. Thank you.